Hi, baby. You playing with some silverware? Uh-oh. Daddy, want to hand that back to her?
Taylor, did you already? Oh, no, there it is. Here. You're just going to have to still wash it because it's not yet.
So we can wash it.
Yeah, we can wash it.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, this is fastest way. It's so simple. Just even taking it with you to restaurants. I remember distinctly. Anywhere we went, I ordered whatever I ordered, and then I picked things, and boy, it's flavorful and fresh.
Hi, Grandma. Taking video.
We're taking a video. Now we're going to take a video of this. This video. Look at that. Oh, half naked. Half naked. Come here. Let's say hello. We have a star photo session. What? Here comes the belly out. You have a little belly rub. Huh? Belly rub? Oh, maybe you go like this. And then you can really go wild. Oh, check this out. Check this out. Huh? It was so the best Christmas in the world.
Ooh, sorry.
The best Christmas in the world. Whoopee! There goes baby. Playing with the favorites. Spoons.